diagnostic accuracy, a key concern for our customers. As an example, Shining 3D expanded the R&D team, developing our own image acquisition devices, lasers, and customized algorithms, which led to a significant improvement in accuracy. However, the tricky thing is that when it comes to the actual industry environment, there are lighting changes, temperature fluctuations, vibration interference, and other challenges made it difficult to maintain consistent accuracy. We then divided the process into multiple segments, tested them one by one, digging out hundreds of control points that led to unstable accuracy, and went to the factory side for debugging. Through the unremitting efforts of the technical team for more than 10 years, we have finally achieved an increase in precision from 10 microns to 4 microns, and the stability has been recognized by our customers.
Metrology isn't just about numbers, it's about solving real problems. With 8 years at Shining 3D and first-hand experience across multiple industries, I have learned the ideal 3D optical measurement tool isn't just specs. It must fit real workflows from factory floors to R&D lab. It must adapt whenever ensuring micron-level precision in manufacturing or preserving cultural heritage. No single device fits all. For example, when our industrial customer needs faster QC, we redesign scanning workflows to cut inspection time by up to 50%. Every customer challenge reshapes our tools, because metrology must evolve with demand.
Trust starts by truly listening, not just to what you need, but to what frustrates you. For our customers, that meant moving beyond promises to real results, like cutting inspection time by 50%. But our partnership doesn't end at delivery. Software updates, training, troubleshooting. We are not just selling tools, we are investing in your success. Your toughest challenges fuel our innovation. Because when you grow, we grow together.
You can always tell a good 3D scanner because it's just a usable tool. So we don't need customers to be scanner experts. Customers are worried about making products. So a good scanner is something they can pick up, collect the data, have faith in the data, trust that the accuracy is there, and keep it simple to use. And Shining 3D has accomplished that. Shining 3D stands out. We have over 100 patents in this technology. We are focused on data collection, processing, and exporting. So our scanners stand out because they're cost-effective, simple to use, and they can perform along with scanners that cost twice as much money. So we're an exceptional value.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed partners and innovators across the globe, welcome. Thank you for being with us. Your continued support and expectation have been the driving force behind everything we do. When Shining 3D was founded 20 years ago, our mission was simple and clear: to make advanced 3D technologies accessible and meaningful for those who build the world, engineers, designers, and manufacturers. Every innovation since then has been about helping you work more efficiently, more precisely, and with greater confidence. Today, we take another step forward. We are proud to introduce our dedicated metrology brand, developed to meet the highest standards of industrial inspection, which is reliable, efficient, and trusted by professionals across automotive, civil aviation, energy, heavy machinery, and more. We are also going to introduce a brand new OptimScan Q12, a high-resolution multimode measurement system built for speed, accuracy, adaptability in demanding full-size inspection environments. This is how we redefine certainty, not through specs, but through solutions that enabling better decision, minimizing uncertainty, and helping you focus on what matters most: quality, consistency, and innovation. Thank you again for joining us today. We look forward to showing you how these solutions are made for professionals like you and made for the future. Let's begin.
Thank you, Mr. Lee, and thank you to all our customers and partners for joining us today. It's my great honor to introduce you Shine 3D Metrology, a brand born from years of dedication, where we measure precision in the very language of light. Looking back over the past 2 decades, we have grown through listening, learning, and most of all, through understanding what truly matters to those who build and create. Today, as we move into the era of Industry 5.0, this understanding becomes even more essential. Manufacturing is evolving. It's no longer just about being fast or large. It's about being intelligent, responsive, and deeply human-centered. At Shine 3D Metrology, we hope to support that evolution. Through non-contact, high-accuracy scanning, we aim to provide tools and solutions that don't just capture 3D data, but offer clarity, assurance, and traceability. Tools that give you confidence exactly when and where it's needed most. And now, with great pride, I welcome you to this new chapter, Shine 3D Metrology.
In the world where the slightest deviation can lead to costly consequences, we choose to see what others overlook. From production to final inspection and maintenance, every detail matters. Measure to master. Scan to succeed. Deliver what you can measure. At Shining 3D, we believe a micron of insight can prevent a mile of error. We don't just measure, we reimagine measurement. High accuracy reveals every imperfection. Video photogrammetry makes large object scanning effortless. All-in-one wireless design redefines mobility. Full field inspection ensures quality control. We are your trusted partner in quality. We make the invisible measurable. We turn uncertainty into clarity. Metrology is more than numbers. It's a promise, a contract of trust. With over 400 patents and a world-class accuracy lab, we empower high-end customers around the globe, delivering complete inspection solutions. In every industry, in every motion, we ensure quality never hides. Inspect on the move. We shine in 3D. Quality doesn't wait, it moves with you, always.
Our new logo carries with it more than just a design. It brings together the scope, the bull's eye, and the letter O to express one simple truth. Precision is our promise. The O gently reminds us of both zero error and overall adaptability. Our pursuit of excellence in every detail, every direction. Even in complex conditions, in regular shapes, confined spaces, our goal remains unchanged. No details overlooked, no accuracy compromised. And yet, we know that the true innovation is not just about technology. It's about removing barriers. That's why our brand vision is Inspect on the Move. Within such a long time, quality inspection has been tied to fixed locations. We believe it's time to let it move to where production happens, where ideas are tested, where quality decisions need to be made in real time. That is how we bring flexibility and freedom to quality control, not just in theory but in practice. Over the past 20 years, Shining 3D has poured its heart into perfecting 3D vision technology. Today, Shining 3D Metrology extracts that passion and expertise into a brand devoted to advancing industrial measurement. From micro-level component inspections to full-line industrial production, our solutions are designed to integrate into your process, not disrupt it, but creating closed-loop control from the very first prototype to the final product. Today, our systems are used in more than 100 countries and regions, not just to improve accuracy, but also to reduce waste, shorten lead times, and build trust in every step of production. The future of accuracy is not static. It's mobile, intelligent, and ready to move with you. Let's discover new dimensions of excellence together. Now I'm delighted to invite Clark, who will walk you through our full range of industrial solutions.
Thank you, Sunny, for sharing the vision that defines Shining 3D metrology. At Shining 3D, precision is not just a promise, it's our purpose. Our mission is to empower industry to innovate with confidence by replacing the manual method with non-contact, high-resolution 3D metrology. This transformation drives the efficiency, accuracy, and the digital intelligence across the full product lifecycle. Today, I would like to walk you through how Shining 3D metrology is driving progress across 6 key industries: automotive, civil aviation, consumer electronics, engineering machinery, energy, and motor manufacturing. In automotive manufacturing industry, 3D metrology minimizes errors and defects from design, production to assemblies. For example, in mold production, we scan different modes like stamping casting modes for geometric measurement, mold assembly, and wear monitoring and analysis. In stamping shop production, like single sheet metal stamping parts, our solutions are applied to dimension control, forming abilities check, and deformation analysis. In welding and assembly shop production, our system validates the assembly positions, measure flash gap, check various dimensions. Civil aviation demands uncompromising precision. Our solutions cover many applications from R&D, production to MRO. For example, in R&D, 3D scanning are applied in aerodynamic validation and simulation. In production, our solutions are used for blade and casing inspection of air engine, large structural part quality control. In MRO, non-destructive damage assessment and repair validation, and the digital archiving of aircraft often use these high technologies. In consumer electronics industry, for cell phones, laptops, smart devices, our solutions allow CLV for these small components quality check. For example, dimension quality control and GDN check in structural components, battery sealing check for internal assemblies, surface defect detection, and automation integration for sampling with 100% inspections. In traditional engineering machinery, 3D metrology bridges raw material supplier to maintenance supplier. For example, in mining trucks, casting components and transmission parts use our solution for quality check. 3D data are also used to optimize cabins, assembly status, and safety. In maintenance and repair, full field data help on wear analysis and rapid prototyping. Wind energy and gas turbines relies on our solution for high reliabilities. Our solutions cover many applications, for example, mold-to surface inspection, defect monitoring, inspection of wind blades, combustion chamber assembly, and reverse engineering for customer. Molds are the heart of precise shape forming. In molding design and trial, our technology enables virtual assembly, tool path correction, and flash defect root cause analysis. In molding productions, full field inspection and wear prediction are commonly used. Every result we deliver is built on the foundation of trustworthy data, and that trust is cultivated in the heart of our quality system, the Shiny 3D Accuracy Lab. Our Accuracy Lab plays a critical role in research, product development, assembly, and accuracy testing. In 2023, the Accuracy Lab achieved the ISO IEC 17025 certification and received CNAS accreditation, validating its technical capability to perform dimensional accuracy calibration service. With over 1,000 square meters, Shiny 3D Accuracy Lab has specialized testing areas, such as the long-range testing labs, large space testing lab, and the multifunction testing lab. Our climate-controlled environment maintains 20 degrees Celsius plus or minus 0.5 and 40 to 60% humidity range, paired with anti-vibration infrastructure to create optimal calibration conditions. We follow strict protocols using certified stands artifacts, surface, balls, planes, or traceable to international stands. For large volume calibration, we employ a 15.2 meters spatial coordinate wall and 15 meters granite rail, supported by high accuracy equipment, including the Siemens laser interferometers and the 2D vision systems. We applied tailored calibration procedure for each scanner type. Handheld laser scanners follows VDI VDE 2634 Part 3, using robotics automation for full angle validation. Film projection scanner meet Part 2 and the ISO 10360-13 standard with multi-component verifications. Track-based systems are calibrated per ISO 10360-8 standard, using spatial coordinate wall and the precision gauges. Every result is backed by a CNAS credit report, ensuring when you trust the Shiny 3D metrology, you are getting more than the measurement. You are getting assurance. Next, we are proud to launch the newest addition to our portfolio, OptimScan Q12, a compact high-resolution 3D scanner designed for industry inspection tasks. To walk you through its key features, please join me in welcoming our colleague, Gustavo Barbosa.
Thank you, Clark, for sharing the informative Shiny 3D metrology application in these 6 industries. I'm sure you were as impressed as I am by our Accuracy Lab and its advanced equipment. I am Gustavo from Shiny 3D, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you our latest innovation, the high precision 3D inspection system, the OptimScan Q12. It is a cutting-edge scanning and inspection solution equipped with 2 sets of 12-megapixel industrial cameras that ensures high-precision data capture with exceptional details. Thanks to the dual camera setup, it offers 2 scan ranges. Whether you are working with tiny intricate parts or medium-sized components, the OptimScan Q12 can cover all those kind of sizes. Switching between these 2 ranges is super easy. You don't have to do it manually. Just one click on the software and the cameras will switch automatically. This flexibility allows both ranges to be used within a single scanning project, streamlining your workflow and making data fusion more efficient. If you have tried scanning complex objects, like those with deep holes or intricate features, you know how tricky it is to get the complete data. That's exactly why we added this function called monocular stereo fusion. Now, I'm going to show you how we can scan this metal part. To begin, place the object in the center of the turntable and adjust the scanner to a good angle for the first scan. With the automatic turntable, we can capture everything from this angle with just one click. After the first scan, we will enable the monocular stereo fusion function to focus on the scanned hole. Just tweak the scanner angle a bit to better see inside of this hole. Click on Scan to capture the data. By comparing this scan with the initial one, you will notice that the data captured inside of the hole is much more detailed. Now, let's flip to the other side of the part. Here, we can find some raised tests, so we are going to switch to the small range to catch those tiny details. All we need to do is start a new project, choose the small range and confirm. You don't need to change the lenses manually. The next scanning steps are the same. After scanning, use the alignment function for data fusion. Just select both projects, choose marker alignment, and the software will take care of the rest. When we have got enough data, the software will generate a point cloud, and then we can use for the mesh function to convert it into a STL file. You can adjust the settings if you need it, but if you are not sure, the recommended settings will work perfectly. After meshing, you can also do some post-processing, and then you can export the final file. Another handy feature is the remote controller. This is useful if your scanner is set up a bit far from your computer. That means you don't need to run back and forth. Now, I have shown you the process of getting full 3D data by OptimScan Q12. After obtaining the high-precision data, you may need to evaluate the data quality. Now, we offer a new professional spectrum module, Shining 3D Inspect. The inspection tool is powered by a high-performance engine that equipped with PTB-certified mathematical algorithms of the highest level. It offers multiple alignment methods to help you quickly and precisely compare 2D and 3D scan data against the reference models or design specifications. With the built-in GNT tools, Shining 3D Inspect makes it easy to measure diameters, positions, angles, distance, and the orientations between the features. Once you are done with the inspections, results can be instantly previewed and exported as a PDF report or CSV files, so sharing and archiving is a breeze. Shining 3D Inspect is widely applicable across industries such as manufacturing, medical devices, civil aviation, and more. And if you are looking for a fully automated solution, the OptimScan Q12 can be integrated with robots for precise and repetitive inspection tasks. With its unmatched precision, speed, and versatility, OptimScan Q12 redefines what is possible in industrial 3D scanning. Thank you for being along with this presentation. Now, let's hand it over to my colleague, Eric.
Thank you, Gustavo, for the excellent introduction to the OptimScan Q12. And thank you all joining us today. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we have explored together. With the launch of OptimScan Q12, we are pushing the boundaries of industrial 3D scanning, bringing high accuracy, faster workflows, and smarter automation into your hands. It's a significant step toward building a more complex, more capable metrology ecosystem for modern manufacturing. This moment also marks something even greater. The birth of Shining 3D Metrology as a dedicated brand is reflect our long-term commitment to the industry that demand precision. Automotive, aircraft, touring, electronics, and more. Our goal is simple: to help you solve complex inspection challenges with confidence, reliability, and efficiency. If you'd like to explore more, we invite you to follow our new Shining 3D Metrology linking page, a space where we'll be sharing product updates, industrial insights, and expert perspectives. And of course, we'd love to meet you in person. Join us at Control in Stuttgart, Germany, or Austrian Manufacturing Week in Melbourne to explore our solutions hands-on. This is only the beginning, and we are excited to continue this journey with you. We will continue to introduce a series of new metrology scanners this year. So stay tuned. Thank you again for your time, your trust, and your shared passion for innovation. Auf Wiedersehen.